Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today we are going to discuss about the survey project, and this is the next video tutorial of survey project. And in this video just I'm going to perform CRUD operation on survey field. So here we have a repositories project, and just I'm going to add a survey field CRUD operation. So in this video just I'm going to add some repositories related to the survey field. So add a new folder, and here we have some interfaces, and the name of the interfaces are, just add a new empty file, isurvey.cs, and just I'm going to add prop. Okay, so here we have just get all the surveys by the admin. So IEnumerable of survey field get all, and survey field is actually existing in the model folder. So remaining we have the get by ID based on the ID property, and the next one is add survey field, next one is update survey field, and the next one is delete. So here we have some survey fields. So now just I'm going to design some repositories. So implementation, and in the implementation just add survey repository, and the survey repository is inherited with the survey iSurvey. By using this we have to add private read-only application db context underscore context, and add this application db context as a constructor in the project. So after that we will just use add survey. So by using the context, so context dot survey field, uh, survey fields dot add survey field. Similarly we have to use context dot save changes. Okay, now just I want to use delete method, so just use context dot survey fields dot find their ID property. So here we use where survey field. So by using this ID property, so context dot survey field dot find ID, that is the survey, and just I want to delete this after the survey. So here we have survey is not equals to null, then survey fields dot remove the survey. Okay, and after that make some changes. So underscore context dot save changes. Okay, otherwise that is written void. So here we have a IEnumerable type of survey field, so get all. So just return underscore survey fields dot to list, as I want to return it, and get by ID, that is just I want to return underscore context dot survey fields dot first or default. Okay, and the next one is update. So first of all get the survey by using their ID property. So where survey field is context dot that is the get by ID, and ID property okay, of the survey field from DB. And if survey field from DB is not equals to null, then you can say that it's updated the survey field name. So name field from DB dot name equals to survey field dot name. That's fine. Okay, so here we have a I survey and there is the implementation of the file. Okay, now just go for your controller section, and in the areas section here we have a surveys where just I want to put some surveys field. So before just going for the controller section, just I'm going to add the repositories, that is the service for your server field. So here we have a builder dot services dot add scoped, and that is the I survey and implementation of survey repo. So here we have the survey repository. So just initialize this, and after that we have to use survey, and in the survey we have then admin controller section. Just add this survey controller, so empty file, and you can say that surveys survey fields, or you can say that's just add a new controller file by using just right click on the controller name and add a new controller. Okay, so here we have the controller name, and the controller name is survey fields controller, and here we have private iSurvey underscore survey repository. Okay, so just initialize that in the constructor. Okay, so here we have http get, or you can say just reuse, copy and paste for the create section, and that is the create section for the http post. Okay, so here we have just I'm going to add model directly instead of the view model. So here we have just I want to call all the survey fields. So where survey fields underscore survey repo dot get all, and just use survey field right there. And after that we have to use a survey and just create a survey, new survey, and after that you can use survey fields, and here we have survey field. Okay, and use underscore survey repo dot ins add survey field, and after that we will go for the return redirect to action, and that is index. Okay, so save this. Now just go for the next part, that is the edit part. So just copy that part and paste it here. Edit the survey fields. So first of all, get the survey by ID underscore survey repo dot get by ID. So here we have int ID, and that is the part of http get. So just call it here, and just edit part, that is the survey repo dot add. just I want to call update. Okay, now the last one is the delete section. So certificate, and that is the part of delete ID, and just I want to get the survey, and but you can say that just call dot delete their ID property and return to view. So return to redirect action, just copy and paste, save this. Okay, so save all these properties right here, and you can see that here we have the results. So save all, and just I want to call index property, so add a view. So just I want to add a survey field right there, just add a razor view, and here we have just list of the survey. Model class is survey field, and just call add. Okay, so here we have a IEnumerable type of things. So just use survey system dot models, just control X, and just use import. There is no import file, so view imports right there, and here you can just add at the rate of using dot models. Okay, so save this. And you know that view import is necessary for the section of admin, so just copy that file, and here we have the views, so just add it there. Survey view imports, and also here we have a view start file, so just copy that and paste inside the view. Okay, now index.cshtml is prepared. So now call that is list of survey field, and just add a new bootstrap class, add new survey. So class is btn info. Okay, and here we have the some ID properties, so make it enabled item.id. Similarly, copy that code and paste it there. Okay, now just go for the create section, so add view, create, and the model class is survey field, and add. That is the part of the create section. Okay, in the create section, just remove this part from here and just type it here, add new survey field. Okay, and after that just remove the part from here, and okay, so btn primary is very good. And the next one is edit, add view, razor view, add, that is edit, and survey field, and add. Okay, so just remove the from here, edit survey field, and just that is the part of hidden. So just make it as a hidden property. So type is hidden. Now save this, and you will see that there is the output. But if you notice that here we have in migrations, so just check it under the folder of migration is right there, and initial, and you will see that here we have a ASP.NET role, ASP.NET users, survey field is there, so just use. Okay, so you know that survey field controller is not actually injected in the layout folders, so just use and just open and shared folder and layout file, and here we have just use for privacy, so just use right there, and action method is index, and there is survey field. Just save this, and you will see that the output, the result is here we have a privacy, but wait for some times, it will update it with the survey field. But you notice that only admin can see the survey field. Okay, so again, just I want to save this. Oops, stop this. And again, just I want to use it. So here we have a survey. Oops, invalid operation exception. The view index was not found. The following location were searched: view, survey fields, and index. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so you notice that the area is the type of the admin. Okay, so save this, and you notice that we are not configured any area right there. So first of all, just open scaffolding readme text file, just use this as an area, and just program.cs file first of all, and you will see that there is area is configured. Now just open your controller section and survey field, and right there is the class name. So area, just specify that name, area, and the name of the area is admin. So control save this and run it again. And you will notice that survey field is not working. Survey field area admin, it's not working. So just I'm going to admin area admin, it's not working. So area is admin, notice that area is admin. Okay, survey field, so survey fields, controller name is survey fields, survey fields, and index is the action matter name. So layout, ASP area survey, controller name is the survey fields, and ASP action is index survey field. Everything is fine. Now save this, and you will see in the program.cs file, area exists, dashboard, index, and ID, but area is exist. So the default is a home controller, and the okay, to stop this, area is fine. That is the admin. So the file is not saved. Okay, so just use a list of the survey. So just create new survey field, and here we have a lots of survey fields right there. So the field is that is the friendliness, and then next one is knowledge. That is the knowledge. So here we have the second one, and the last one is that is the quickness. Okay, so here we have some details of the list of the survey fields, and just I want to register these fields, and only that survey field will be used by the admin. So just use survey fields controller and make it used by the only for the admin. So you can say that authorize, and the role is admin. Save this. Okay, and only admin can see and edit this part, add a new survey like that. Okay, now add another survey fields. We have some enumerations. So just I want to add some enumeration field right there. Okay, so these are the enumerations value. So use public enum, and the field is that is the you can say that it's a options, and here we have survey option, you can say survey options, and the first one is very satisfied. The first one is very satisfied, that is the next one is satisfied, the next one is neutral, the next one is unsatisfied, and the last one is very unsatisfied. Okay, so these are the survey options. Just I want to click on it. Okay, so here we have a survey options, and the survey fields are there, and just in between we have to use radio buttons to get the values from this options and the survey field. So just use survey options, survey response of their model folder. So add a new model right there, add a new empty file, and you can say survey response dot ces file. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to survey project and all. Thank you very much, and wait for the next video. I will complete it in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.